Should you invest in Nvidia before December 3rd? With a 185% surge this year and dominance in AI chips, this could be your moment to join the AI revolution. Hello everyone, before starting video, important info. This video is AI generated and created purely for informational purposes. Welcome to Infotech Stocks channel investors. Ready to dive into the future? Have you heard about Nvidia? If not, you might want to pay attention. Of course you have. This tech giant is on fire and everyone's talking about it. Why? 2 words, artificial intelligence. It's the buzzword of the decade. Nvidia makes the chips that power AI, and let me tell you, AI is kind of a big deal. These chips are the brains behind the smartest technologies. We're talking about the future of everything, from self-driving cars to robots that can do your laundry. Imagine a world where machines handle mundane tasks, freeing up your time. Nvidia's stock has been on a tear this year, up a whopping 185%. That's right, 185%. That's not a typo. People are pouring money into this company because they believe in the power of AI, and they believe that Nvidia is the key to unlocking its potential. It's like finding the golden ticket in the tech world. Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, is it too late to get in on the action? Is the ship already sailed? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Timing the market is always tricky. Look, I'm not in the business of giving financial advice, but I can help you understand the landscape. But I am in the business of breaking down complex topics and making them understandable for everyone. So let's simplify this. So let's dive into the world of Nvidia, AI, and whether or not you should be reaching for your wallet. We'll explore the potential and the risks. Fasten your seatbelts because this is going to be a wild ride. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Okay, so what exactly does Nvidia do? They make chips, but not the kind you eat. Though after a long day on the trading floor, a plate of cookies sounds pretty good right about now. These are computer chips, specifically graphics processing units or GPUs. Think of them as the brains behind AI. GPUs are designed to handle massive amounts of data, and AI needs a ton of data to learn and grow. Nvidia's GPUs are the gold standard for AI development. They're powerful, efficient, and in high demand. Everyone from researchers to tech giants like Google and Microsoft are using Nvidia's chips to power their AI projects. And this demand is only going to increase as AI becomes more sophisticated and widespread. We're talking about a potential market of $1 trillion for AI chips by the end of the decade. Now you might be thinking, can't other companies make these chips? Sure, there's always competition. But Nvidia has a huge head start. They've been investing in AI for years, and they have the talent, the technology, and the partnerships to stay ahead of the curve. They're like the Apple of AI chips. Everyone wants a piece of the action. Under the leadership of CEO Jensen Huang, Nvidia has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in AI. Their relentless innovation and commitment to excellence have set them apart in a crowded field. As AI continues to evolve, Nvidia's role in shaping the future of technology cannot be overstated. From groundbreaking research to industry-leading products, Nvidia is truly the engine behind the AI boom. Now let's talk about this December 3rd date you keep hearing about. Why is everyone so focused on this particular day? Well, it's simple. Nvidia is hosting its annual GTC conference, and the rumor mill is churning. This isn't just some boring tech conference where engineers talk about algorithms and code. This is where Nvidia unveils its latest and greatest products and technologies. Think of it as the Super Bowl of AI. Everyone will be watching to see what Nvidia has up its sleeve, and you can bet that any major announcements will send shockwaves through the market. Analysts and investors are buzzing with speculation. Will Nvidia announce a new generation of AI chips that are even faster and more powerful? Will they unveil new partnerships with major tech players? Will they give us a glimpse into the future of AI and how their technology will shape our world? We'll have to wait and see, but one thing's for sure. December 3rd is a date to mark on your calendars. So what are the experts saying about Nvidia? Well, let's just say they're pretty bullish. Analysts are falling over themselves to raise their price targets for Nvidia's stock. Some are even predicting that the stock could double in the next year or two. Now I always say take analysts' predictions with a grain of salt. They're not always right and they have a vested interest in drumming up excitement. But when you see this level of consensus among analysts, it's hard to ignore. They're seeing the same trends that I'm seeing: the explosive growth of AI, Nvidia's dominance in the market, and the potential for massive profits in the years to come. It's like everyone's looking at the same crystal ball and seeing dollar signs. Of course, not everyone is convinced. There are always skeptics who say that Nvidia is overvalued, that the AI bubble is going to burst, that competition will eat away at their market share. And hey, they might be right. Investing is always a gamble, and there are no guarantees. Risk versus reward, the Nvidia equation. Now let's talk Turkey. Should you buy Nvidia before December 3rd? This is a question that has been on the minds of many investors. That's a decision only you can make. It's a personal choice that depends on your risk tolerance and investment strategy. But let me break it down for you. Let's weigh the pros and cons together. On the one hand, you have a company that's firing on all cylinders. Nvidia is at the forefront of technological innovation. They're the leaders in a rapidly growing market, especially in AI and gaming technologies. Their financials are rock solid, showing consistent growth and profitability. And they have a track record of innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Plus, there's that little event on December 3rd that could send the stock soaring. It could be a game changer. On the other hand, Nvidia's stock is already priced for perfection. Any bad news, any disappointment, any hint that the AI hype is fading could send the stock tumbling. The market can be unforgiving, could send the stock tumbling. And let's be honest, Wall Street is a fickle beast. What's hot today could be cold tomorrow. So, what's the verdict? How should you approach this? Well, if you're a long-term investor who believes in the power of AI and Nvidia's ability to capitalize on it, then buying Nvidia might make sense. You need to have faith in their long-term vision. Then buying Nvidia might make sense. But if you're looking for a quick buck, if you're uncomfortable with volatility, if you're not willing to ride out the ups and downs, then Nvidia might not be the right investment for you. It's all about knowing your own limits and comfort zone. Then Nvidia might not be the right investment for you. Make sure to do your own research and consider your own financial goals before making any decisions. Beyond the hype. A look at the fundamentals. Look, I get it. All this talk about AI and trillion-dollar markets can make your head spin. But before you make any investment decisions, it's important to cut through the noise and look at the fundamentals. What are the underlying factors that will drive Nvidia's success in the long run? First and foremost, Nvidia has a rock-solid business model. They design and sell the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. Every time a company wants to build a self-driving car, develop a new AI-powered chatbot, or train a machine learning algorithm, they need Nvidia's chips. It's like owning a toll booth on a busy highway. Second, Nvidia has a proven track record of innovation. They're not content to rest on their laurels. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI chips, developing new architectures and improving performance. This relentless focus on innovation gives them a significant competitive advantage. The future of AI and Nvidia's place in it. Let's step back for a moment and think about the bigger picture. AI isn't just a fad, it's a transformative technology that's going to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. It's going to change the way we work, the way we live, the way we interact with the world around us. And Nvidia is at the forefront of this revolution. Imagine a world where self-driving cars are commonplace, where robots assist us with everyday tasks, where AI helps us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. This is the future that Nvidia is building, and it's a future that's full of potential. Now, I'm not saying that Nvidia is a guaranteed home run. There are always risks and uncertainties in the world of investing. But if you believe in the power of AI, and you're looking for a company that's well positioned to capitalize on this massive opportunity, then Nvidia deserves your attention. So, should you buy Nvidia? So, there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today. We've talked about Nvidia's dominance in the AI chip market, the potential for explosive growth, the upcoming GTC conference, and the risks and rewards of investing in this high-flying stock. Now it's up to you to decide whether or not Nvidia is the right investment for you. Do your research, consider your risk tolerance, and remember that past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. But most importantly, stay informed. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and Nvidia is at the forefront of these changes. Keep an eye on the news, follow the analysts, and most importantly, trust your gut. Happy investing.